Valentine's Day is almost here, so I am going to be sharing a 5 senses gift idea for him. So whether this be a boyfriend or a husband or anybody in your life, you can swap this and do this for a woman as well. So it could be a 5 senses gift for her. So I wanted to go all out this Valentine's Day, and I know this is super last minute, so some of the items in here, you know, might be a little late to order and get it on time for Valentine's Day, but I do have a variety of items that are available on Amazon, and if you have Prime, you can get that in 1 to 2 days. So you could probably still get quite a few of these things in time for Valentine's Day if you are watching it on Monday or even on Tuesday potentially. But I thought it would be super fun to do something a little bit extra. This is my second Valentine's Day with my husband as husband and wife. We've been together for much longer than that, but it is our second Valentine's Day as a married couple, so I wanted to do something a little extra, and I just thought that this 5 senses gift idea would be so fun. So I have 5 bags, of course, and each bag is labeled with a different sense. So there's sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. So I have a gift for each of them, and I'll insert a clip where I did a short form video about this, sharing this. I'm just gonna get into the items that I used for each of these, and then also share some other ideas if none of the things that I specifically did stand out to you. There are so many options for gifts that you can do for this. Also, to start off, I thought it would be cute to do do black and red for Valentine's Day. I feel like it looks more manly too than like adding pink. Maybe some men wouldn't mind the pink, but I just thought this looks somewhat more masculine, which is nice, and it goes really well with the free printable labels that I got online. I will also link exactly where you can download and then print these labels for yourself. They're free. You just have to have a printer at home. So that's super nice. And if you don't have a printer at home, you could just use paper and write it out yourself. It doesn't have to be fancy, but I just liked how the printable ones looked, and I have a printer, so that works. But even if you don't have a printer, you can still make this work. First off, the black bags, I got a bunch of them. There's these small black bags. I got them on Amazon, and it comes in a large pack, fairly affordable. I believe it was like $8 for a pack of like 50 or something like that. I'll make sure to link that in the description box below if you do like the look of these black bags. Super affordable, and you can also use them for future gifts and just other gifts for other people as well. So very universal, good bag to have. And then I also got just a bunch of red tissue paper. Again, super affordable, got it on Amazon. So starting off with sound. Now for sound, I decided to get my husband a Steam gift card. He likes video games, so that's what I got for him. I knew that he would really like this. However, for sound, there are a lot of other ideas. Playlist, you could give them some like headphones or earphones. You can give them a speaker, something for like an instrument if they play an instrument. You could sing them a song. I don't know, that might be cheesy, but maybe you're really good at singing or whatever. You can make them a playlist or sing them something. These labels say something really cute on it. For sound, it says, "Every tick of the clock you hear is another second I'm thinking of you." So you could also write a fun little saying like that with each of the senses. Then on to sight, it says, "It was love at first sight." For sight, you could do something like a picture. You could do movie tickets to go watch a movie. You could add a couples game or write a letter. I got a double picture frame and added 2 pictures for my wedding, so I thought that would be really cute. And then on to touch. So for touch, it says, "Cuddled up in your arms, my favorite place to be." So again, you could change the sayings as well if you didn't want to do the printables. So you could just create your own saying for each of the senses. That would be fun too. For touch, I got him this massage roller ball, which just be so relaxing, and this was also quite affordable. This is available on Amazon. Again, I'll have it linked in the description box below. And then I also have 2 pairs of boxers from the brand Subset. Subset is one of my absolute favorite sustainable clothing brands. They have everyday, organic, sustainable basics. So like underwear, bras, they have robes, things like that. So everyday basics, and they are previously known as Nikki, but they recently changed their name and rebranded, so they are now called Subset. I do have a video all about them if you're interested in learning more about them. But anyway, I thought boxers would be a good thing to add to touch. And I do have a discount code where you guys can get 10% off of anything from Subset, so make sure to check out the description box below. I have that listed and linked in the description box below. Other ideas are like socks, a bathrobe, cozy blanket. Next is smell. For smell, it says, "You smell like home to me." So for smell, I got him his absolute favorite cologne, and it is from the brand Abbott. It is the cape. This smells so good. He's gone through so many of these and they last so long. So this is the full size of the cape. This is a consciously formulated brand when it comes to fragrances. They have candles as well. My husband has been using this scent for years now, probably 3 years, if not a bit more than that by now, but he absolutely loves this scent, the cape specifically. The keynotes are mint, ginger, and moss. It just has such a nice, like, masculine scent. Their scents are supposed to be unisex, but this scent specifically I feel like is just very nice and masculine, and my husband loves it and I love it, so I thought this would be a really nice thing to add for smell. And also I do have a discount code where you guys can get 15% off of anything from Abbott, so I will have that listed and linked in the description box below if you do want to get anything from Abbott. Some other ideas for smell could be like a candle, a beard oil, massage oil, a soap. Massage oil could also be for touch. And then lastly, taste. It says everything tastes sweeter when I'm with you. For taste, I got him coffee. I just got this one from Amazon. It's a French vanilla coffee from Amazon, so if you know your man likes coffee, that's a great thing to get, especially if you're getting this last minute for Valentine's Day. You can get that on time. I also got him some strawberries and cream Tic Tacs. Looks nice and cute for Valentine's Day. And then I also got him some chocolate. I got him the Russell Stover, just kind of like assorted chocolates. And then I also added in some Dove chocolates as well. And these are the Dove Love Letters chocolate, so very cute and on theme for Valentine's Day. But of course, again, any of these things modify specifically for what your man likes the most, or if you're getting this for a woman in your life, then obviously, you know, modify to what the woman in your life likes. And then to go above and beyond, I'm going to be decorating our room all fancy like, and I got these artificial rose petals that I can just reuse and for future years as well, and just for other occasions. Super affordable on Amazon, so I'll link them in the description box below if you're interested, but I'm just gonna display it really, really pretty. So then I also did get 2 other gifts that didn't really fit in any of the categories for the 5 senses, but I'm gonna give them to him as well. I figured I'd share those with you as well. So I got him this really cute, it's like a little pill box. This is on Amazon, so you can get this quickly if you want. But this comes with like a pill box full of date ideas. It says date ideas capsules in a bottle. It says open one capsule and read date idea on the inside as needed. So it just is super cute, like a little pill box with date ideas. I just thought this would be really fun for us because sometimes it can be hard to figure out what dates to go on. So I just thought this could be fun and spontaneous and help us figure out some date ideas. So this is an additional gift that I'm getting him for Valentine's Day. I didn't really know if it would go in any of these categories. And then this is a kind of like a little gag gift, but I thought it was funny, so I got this for him. This is a toilet paper and it says, I love the poop out of you. I just thought it was cute, maybe a little cringy, but I thought it was funny. So I'm just gonna give this to him as a little gag gift to add to his Valentine's Day gift. Also got this cute light up love sign. I'm just gonna use this to display all of his gifts, so I thought that would be really cute. This I also got on Amazon, so you can get it quickly. If you do want to check out any of the items that I showed in today's video, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. I'll also put the discount codes that I mentioned in the description below, so make sure to check that out if you're interested in any of these. And again, I did make this video intended for Valentine's Day, but this could be also great for a birthday gift or just another gift in general, maybe like an anniversary gift. So you can use this not only just for Valentine's Day, but so I really hope that helped you guys out, gave you some ideas for a Valentine's Day gift for him or her. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you for my next video.